The habit that is there in boarding schools is that children brush their teeth once a day. And they brush in the morning. If you go to literally any high school, you will find they brush once a day, and that brushing is in the morning. So what you find is that when they get socialized like that for 4 years or something like that, unless their dentist talks to them about it, they will continue like that throughout their life. But yet they always find there's always trouble with their teeth, but they brush every morning. Somebody comes and you ask them, how often do you brush? You know, we always assume people know, but they tell you, yeah, I have always brushed once a day throughout my life. When? In the morning. Oh my goodness. I tell my patient, that's almost equivalent to no brushing, yeah? Because you spend the whole day eating from after breakfast. You start eating at 10, lunch, dinner, 10 p.m., and you don't brush when you're going to sleep. So that means you've slept with all that food accumulated on your teeth and in the mouth. Then you go to sleep. And during sleep, there's not much saliva being produced. And the lips and the tongues are not moving. That means the bacteria now, they have a hay night. Converting all that stuff into plaque, breaking it into acids to create cavities on the teeth. So then you wake up in the morning, after breakfast, you do a quick one, and that brushing in the morning, most people are in a hurry. So their mind is not there. So when someone tells you they only brush in the morning, their mind is not there. They are in a hurry. They are late to going to school. As for children, even an adult, you want to leave the house. So they just do just a quick one. So they've not even brushed their teeth properly. But then almost 2 hours after that, they start eating. That means out of 24 hours, the mouth was clean for probably 2 hours.
Out of the whole day.
Out of the 24 hours, the mouth was probably clean for 2-3 hours. So why we need to brush at night is that we remove all the food we accumulated during the whole day. And then that means the mouth is clean for those 7, 8, whichever hours you sleep. If you add plus another 2 hours that after breakfast, then you find at least half of the time there is no food for the bacteria to use. And that's why we normally recommend it. And people who can be able to brush even after lunch, if you have a toothbrush, if you access to a sink somewhere in your office or wherever, it is always good to brush even after every meal.